What's up, guys? We just received our PSA Jakl. Been waiting for about 2 weeks now, and there was a little mistake from PSA, and I'll show you guys in a little bit. But I'm working with them right now to get it fixed. And let's go ahead and open it up and see what it looks like. Ooh, very nice, very nice. Looks clean. Ooh, they look like they oiled it down for me. But still got to do my own cleaning because I don't trust it sometimes. But as you can see, the logo, the Jakl. The other logo of the Jakl, the Magpul grip. Feels good, feels good. So the issue I had with receiving this is that I had ordered from their website the one where the rail stops at the gas system, not past the gas system. Mostly for aesthetics, just really, you know, kind of like the way I just looks, I think looks better. But I haven't shot it yet. I'm waiting to hear from PSA if they're just gonna switch out the upper, or I have to like send the whole gun back and do like a whole exchange. So it's been like a headache because they go through emails. So let's see how their customer service is and see if I can get this fixed. But other than that, I mean, still looks really good. It looks great. As you can see, the pin and welded flash guard on here. We got the gas system up here. See if we can see if it's pretty easy to switch out. Okay. Maybe I need like something, maybe use a bullet in there to switch it out. I've seen a lot of YouTubers use that bullet and they'll be able to rotate it. As you can see, got the safe. Let me see it right here. This feels kind of weird. I don't know why, but it does feel weird. As you can see, you got the nice looking stock right here. Pop that open. Maybe I need to break that in because it does feel kind of hard, but I guess you want it like that so it's not easily movable when you're shooting. And then I guess this goes back. I can't get it to go back. Oh, there we go. So he's got a little cheek rise. Putting a lot of pressure right there. It doesn't go down. Looks pretty sturdy. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. Just locks right back into place. See, I like the trigger. I was dry firing it earlier and the trigger feels amazing. It's, I don't know if it's their Saber brand trigger, but it's really good. I really do like that. I do like that, but, as you can see, we'll pull the trigger. No, make sure there's no, it's not loaded, but you can see, you hear the trigger. Instantly. There's like barely any pullback on that. And then let go of the trigger. Really good trigger, I like that, you know. This is actually my first really good trigger that I actually have in the AR. Most of my triggers are mil-spec. But I can tell a big difference from a mil-spec trigger and what this trigger is. Don't know if it's their Saber lineup. I've seen a lot of YouTubers say that the Saber lineup triggers are really good, really good. So let's flip it around. I do like this little Jakl. That looks badass. I'm not gonna lie, that does look badass. As you can see, the finish is really good. It's really no scratches. I mean, kind of just a little smearing from the oil they used. I do like the flash hider. Looks different, you know, looks pretty cool. I do want to get a suppressor for this. It does have a you can use a chemo and key micro suppressor. people have recommended me the Sandman S. I've been probably try to get that in the next couple of weeks and try to do a review. I will be doing a review on this gun. I just got to make some time. Going out to my friend's property and just seeing if we can get out there and just get a couple shots out. But yeah, other than the issue of PSA sending me the wrong handguard. The gun is great, looks great. I mean, I'm excited to get this, and I was excited to get this. I'm excited to shoot it. It looks cool. Let's see what else comes in the box. So we got our old Palmetto State manual. Got a manual. I guess this is what the original version looked like. I don't like that at all, to tell you the truth, but this is way nicer. I guess that's just my personal preference. Comes with, this is the manual for the positioning of the gas of the gas system. So it looks like it has 8 positions, and it kind of gives you where you want it, like what position each is for. Pretty cool. I'm gonna have to definitely read that and check into that a little bit later. Comes with their obvious lock that nobody uses, but just keep them, add them to the collection. So I did open this earlier, and it comes with a PMag. This is the Gen M2. I mean, regular old mag, normal. Like I said, I will be doing a review, and when I do my review, hopefully I do get my handguard switched out from PSA. Been emailing back with them. I mean, other YouTubers have had no issues with their warranty service and getting things fixed. I'm gonna try to get the suppressor by then too, so we can test out the gas system. I will be doing reviews on other guns. Like I got the AP5 from MKE. I just got that too, so I might be doing an unboxing video on that one. And I got a bunch of other guns that I will be unboxing here pretty soon, and I'm just gonna do simple reviews, aesthetics, really not getting into depth like that. I'm just gonna show you what really comes in the box and some of the functionalities, but I think it's a great gun. So keep posted and subscribe, like for more reviews, and support the channel. This is actually my first review, so I hope you guys can give me a little bit of support out there and help me out start this YouTube channel. And everything I put on here on this channel is going to be paid by me, so all the reviews are going to be unbiased, straightforward, and I'm gonna tell you the truth. If I like it, I like it. If I don't, I don't. But that's how my reviews are going to be. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I'm just going to keep it as real as I can. So thank you guys. Keep a lookout, and we'll see you then.